Hello all, today in this video I'm going to provide a demo video for Lightgbm. So this is a continuation video of the previous videos where we have also made an XAI representation. So in this work we are going to work with Lightgbm, and with the previous machine learning algorithms we have done, we are going to make a comparison video and just conclude that which algorithm is going to provide better results when compared to this algorithms. So the libraries which we have imported include the OS, warnings, NumPy, pandas, etc. And also we are just reading our data set. The data set we have downloaded from Kaggle. So this is the data set. What is the variables which is having in the data set? Here where the target variable we will be choose as the Y variable, and apart from the target variable, every variables will be chosen as the X variable, and then we are getting the info of the data set. It is having integer and float values, and then we are getting checking whether our data set is having any null values. Since it is not having any null values, we are moving to the declaration of the X variable and Y variable as I mentioned previously. And by using the X variable and Y variable, we are declaring other variables like X train, X test, Y train and Y test by using the train test size as 0.2, that is 20% will be taken for testing and the remaining 80% will be taken for training. Then we are declaring our Lime library. In this Lime library, we are also declaring the explainer variable by which we are going to display the XAI plot, and then also we are declaring the other libraries which are needed like accuracy score, and we are going to display the precision recall F1 score values also, and also confusion matrix. For that we have declared the libraries needed for that. Initially we worked with the Randomforest and get an accuracy of 100%. Then we worked with support vector mission and got an accuracy of 75%. Then we worked with the naive Bayes and got an accuracy of 85%. Then we worked with KNN and got an accuracy of 72%. Then we worked with the decision tree and got an accuracy of 100%. Then we worked with the logistic regression and got an accuracy of 86%. Then we worked with the Xgboost and got an accuracy of 100%. Then we worked with the Catboost and got an accuracy of 100%. So in this work we are going to work with the Lightgbm. For that, initially we are importing the library which is needed for Lightgbm, and then calling its variable classification function in a variable, and by using that we are training and testing the classifier by using the fit function and also the predict function. The fit function is used for training and predict function is used for testing, and then we are getting our accuracies and all displaying or confusion matrix. So this is the confusion matrix of the Lightgbm algorithm. Then we are displaying the classification report like precision recall F1 score values. Here for a Lightgbm also we are getting an accuracy of 100%. Then we are moving to XAI representation. Here we are declaring J as 15, and then we are making an variable declaration to call the number of features. Here we are making the number of features as 8. So here you can see it will display nearly 8 features. If you want some other more features or less features means you can just change this values. This values also we can change J as 10 or 5 etc. as per your wish. And then this is the plot for XAI representation, and then we since we are getting 8 variables, here the list of 8 variables will be displayed over here. We have made a comparison plot. For that in the comparison plot we have called what are the variables, what are the classifiers we have done so far. So we have done Randomforest, support vector mission, naive Bayes, K nearest classifier, decision tree, logistic regression, Xgboost, Catboost and Lightgbm. So everything we have declared within a variable called models, and then we are making a loop for declaring the printing the variables like accuracy, mean square error and also R square error. So it is declared over here, and then we are moving a table representation, and in the table we are just making a comparison of every of these values for each algorithms, and by this we are just making a comparison of which providing the highest score and which is providing the least score. The highest score classifier is marked as green and the lowest score classifier is marked as red. Here why five models is marked is green because it is having the same accuracy, so it is marked in green. Others are marked in red. So KNN is the least model. Random Forest, Decision Tree, Xgboost, Catboost, Lightgbm or the higher model. After random with this first model, this logistic regression takes place with the 86% accuracy. Then comes the naive Bayes with 85% accuracy. Then find the support vector mission with the 74% accuracy. And finally, the KNN with 72% accuracy. So in the next video, we will make a demo of some other code. Thank you.